Diane in Denmark here, a little quick summer catch up with you, a little check-in with you. If your days are feeling a bit full right now, maybe it's summer where you are, maybe it's a different season in the southern hemisphere, a few ideas of what you can do to manage that, keep a bit of balance. And yes, for those of you who have been following my channel for a while, you'll have heard what is going on in the background. We are selling our house. We've lived there for 25 years, so this is a big deal for us, a big move. We are buying an apartment in the city. We have had renovations going on. I've been cleaning, decluttering, all the things. So lots going on, a bit stressful, but it's all good. And also for us, the actual move won't be happening until the autumn. But right now we are in the middle of summer and we've got the busy season, the wonderful busy season in Denmark, which is kids' graduations, end of summer parties for all the different organisations I'm involved with. So lots going on, and I just wanted to check in with you because if you're feeling like your days are kind of spiralling out of control, as usual I've got a few simple tips. These are the things that are keeping me on track this summer, just to make sure that we really enjoy it so that the days just aren't kind of flying by. Anyway, I thought I would bring you here to one of my favourite places beside the sea. So a couple of things. First up, make sure that you're keeping going with your daily routines. And what I mean by that is just those little things that keep our world ticking over. Keeping the place at home picked up, do a poopa, 5-minute pick up and put away. Do a couple of those morning, evening. Make sure you know what you are eating in the evening. That was one of the worst things for me, is not knowing what the menu is. So just spend a couple of minutes on menu planning, thinking ahead to that. Have you done your load of laundry for today? Or have you done a bit of a load of laundry, some kind of part of that cycle? Just those simple things really just keep the place running at home. Now, the other thing I wanted to mention was that, life can be crazy busy right now, even if it's all the good crazy busy, end of school parties, all that kind of stuff. Have you actually thought about what you want to achieve this summer? Are you doing renovations on the house? Been there, done that. Are you going on vacation? Have you got that planned? If you are staying at home, what do you want to achieve this summer? And it doesn't need to be big things, but a couple of things that I have done so far this summer, and amongst all the hijinks with getting the house ready to sell, I went to the Northside Music Festival. I did another solo trip there. Now, Aarhus is on the other side of Denmark. I went on my own, 3 days, great fun, but I don't want to do it again. I think I'm just festivals are getting too much for me. But I was there to see some of my favourite artists, Baxter Jury, Father John Misty, lots of DJs. And last week in Copenhagen, I got together with my bestie, Erica from America, and we did the 3 days of design festival. And you know what, just try and reach out to a friend. Maybe you can just meet up for a coffee, a walk at the sea. It doesn't need to be big things, but just so that you're checking with somebody else and enjoying the moments with somebody else. One of the things that I love to do at this time of year, which I haven't done enough yet, and that's on my bucket list for today, is to just sit outside with a book and, at least for us, enjoy the long summer evenings. Because I know I've mentioned this before, we have the dark winter days where it is dark from 3 o'clock in the afternoon until 9 o'clock in the morning. In the summer, this is payback time, it is bright by about 3:30 a.m. in the morning here, and it doesn't get dark until about 11:30 p.m. at night, so that's fantastic. So what I'm going to be doing today is just sitting out in the garden after dinner, reading my book. I don't need to read for hours and hours, but just 10 or 15 minutes, or maybe you can paint your toenails, your fingernails a nice summer colour. And the other thing I wanted to mention, there's people going past, that's why I'm kind of stopping from time to time. Lost the plot there. Oh yeah, just spend a little bit of time each day on a hobby. Maybe you've got a new hobby, maybe you've got an old hobby. Get your knitting out, do a bit of oil painting, I don't know. And something, I haven't been making YouTube videos recently because of everything that's going on in the house, but I have taken up a new hobby this spring, which was, at the age of 58, getting into the world of DJing. Now, as many of you know, I love music, can't play an instrument, and I've just always loved music, and I've always, brought along the music for parties, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to learn how to DJ. So I'm taking courses, and I had my first DJ graduation where I played a set for family and friends, and honestly, it's been a really steep learning curve, but I'm just loving that in amongst all the excitement of selling the house and moving into the city, that I've got something that completely takes me out of it. So every day I've got my little mixer, I've got a Pioneer FLX4, and I'm just putting together set lists, improving my transitions, and it's all new to me, and I'm just loving that kind of getaway that it gives me. So I don't need to get away anywhere else, but I'm getting away in my mind, and that's what I want for you. I just want you to have some balance. Make sure that you've got a little plan for the summer. Have you made a list of what you would like to do? Do you want to go and see an exhibition in town? Do you want to spend, flies here. Do you want to spend more time in your garden? Make a little list and plan it into your day, because if you don't make a plan for it, it won't happen. Yeah. And my other plans for today, I've got my grocery list ready, did that, and just had my hair cut. Don't know if you noticed, so I'm feeling very swish. And I think that's about it. So anyway, I'm going to get this video uploaded. Just wanted to check in with you and share the love and say all is well here. But oh my goodness, I knew it was going to be a big thing with the move. I didn't realise it was going to be such a big thing. And just a wee funny story, because we had renovations done to the house. And I had builders inside the house and outside the house and scaffolding up. And I just got to the point that I didn't feel like I could kind of have a shower and be away from everything that was going on. And I have a gym membership, so I went to the gym, and I could just go to the gym, to the ladies section, and I could have a shower, wash my hair, blow dry it, sit in the sauna, and it was just a great, the small pleasures in life. So anyway, hope you have a fantastic day. I'm still posting on my blog, Diane@denmark.com. That's where you can find all my videos, and if you're needing some little checklists for your daily routines, but keep it simple, look after yourselves. And all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the beautiful Danish sunshine be with you, see you in sunshine, and I shall see you very soon with a ra, ra, ra. Okay, bye for now.